Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on pepecoin. In my previous video, I was showing you that the price line of Pepe formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and while forming the right shoulder, it also formed a falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Pepe coin that I shared with my members almost 5 days ago. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that Pepe coin was completing on 4-hour time frame chart. And I told my members that as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, we can expect that the price line can drop more down. And once it will be entered here within 166 to 154, then we can expect the next price reversal between 182 to 199. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed the like here. And after hitting the sell target zone, again moved down and still moving sideways inside this potential reversal zone. And by the way, this was almost 11% move. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame chart, and here we can see that Pepe is moving inside a falling wedge pattern. That is a bullish bias pattern, but we have two resistance levels here. One is the resistance of the falling wedge, and the second resistance is this red line. That is the EMA 21 on the 4-hour time frame chart. Therefore, at the same time, the price line needs to break out these two resistance levels. And at the same time, you can see while it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern, Pepe is also forming the right shoulder of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here we have the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the formation of the right shoulder. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, there will be a very high probability that the price line may also break out the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern, this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And now let's take a look at the targets for these two patterns. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down the support of this falling wedge pattern, then in case of breaking down, the target to the downside can be approximately at $0.00000118. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here at 204, where we have the resistance or neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And once the price line will be able to break out this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, then the target to the upside for this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be here. That will be approximately at $0.000004. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.